Hi and welcome welcome back to my channel. I am dog sitting and this dog will not be quiet. Hopefully he will quiet down. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. I love me some luxury. Today we're gonna flip it. We're gonna do something different and we're gonna talk about a lifestyle. How to increase your credit score. I have my notes right here. I am sharing with you some information and some tips for increasing your credit score. So if you need your credit score increased, let's get right into it. A couple of years ago, I was looking at Credit Karma and they send me notifications a couple of times a month. I looked at my score and I was like, wow, my credit score is really low. Having a low credit score affects your lifestyle. How does it affect your lifestyle? It affects your lifestyle if you want to rent, if you want to lease, if you want to own a property, either a property or if you want to lease or own an automobile. Your credit score plays a huge part in how you are financed. So the better credit score you have, the better chances you are of a low down payment and then a low monthly payment. This is going to be a very simplistic way of improving your credit score. So what I want you to do is go get a pen and something to write on, or you can take notes on your iPad or iPhone in your notes app. So if you've done that, let's get ready. My first step is get all your credit card statements together. That's what I want you to do, and that's what I did. Once you have them all together, I want you to write down the name of the credit card or your creditor, the balance, and then I want you to write down the minimum payment. On a side note, I will be saying extra income, so I want to put that in right quick, extra income, before I move any further into this video of how to improve your credit score. So once we have all that information down, our creditor, our balance, our minimum due, we're going to look at all of that and then we're going to find the lowest one. Now my lowest one was $3,000. And my minimum due payment was $29. What I did was I looked at my minimum payment, and usually that's what I would make, just the minimum. Then I decided to improve my credit score. By improving my credit score, I need to pay off this debt, right? I have $3,000. Actually, I had more than $3,000 total. But we're going to start with the lowest, which was $3,000. And what I did was I doubled it. I tripled it. I paid 6 months. I paid 12 months. So in actuality, instead of making a $29 payment, 29 times 12 is $348. Then I would make a $348 payment per month. And once 8 months came around, I was almost completely finished with that $3,000 balance. Half a month later, it's gone. And what does that do? Improve my credit score. I continued to do that for the remainder of my credit card bills. I just paid and paid with whatever extra money that I had. You have to make sure you are consistent with paying your credit cards. Now, you're not going to only pay additional or extra on your minimum, but you're going to also keep paying the other credit cards that you have. That is step number one, is compiling all of your statements, getting the name of the creditor, the balance, and then minimum due. I like to use the minimum due over just saying, okay, I'm gonna pay extra amount. So as I said that I would be talking about extra money. We need extra money to pay off more of our creditors, more of our debt, to help improve our credit score. How do you get this extra money? Here are the tips. You can pick up another job, a side hustle. Some of us who work and travel and use our private automobiles receive reimbursement checks. That's extra money. Some of us receive phone stipend. That's extra money. When you received your stimulus check, that was extra money. A blessing might come out of nowhere. That's extra money. That extra money, you put it toward that credit card bill. Also, pay attention to our fast food eating and drinking. That's really extra money, which you could be putting toward your credit card. This is the breakdown. You have the minimum due. Whatever your minimum due, make sure you try to double it, triple it, quadruple it, pay 6 months worth of it, pay 12 months worth of it. Okay, and once you get through paying that smallest balance off, you go to the next one that has the lowest balance and then continue on. The extra money can also come from your closet. Yeah, it can come from your closet. Check out your closet, see if you have clothes in there that you have not used, and go put them on Poshmark. That's a tip. Sell your clothes. Depending on the price of the item, sometimes it's slow to sell. So I know in LA area and Newport Beach, there is a store called, I forgot the name of the store, Closeout, Common, I can't think of the name right now. I'm gonna pop it on the screen. You can take in up to 50 items and they will give you 30% of what they're gonna sell it for. So they're not going to give you, a large amount. But if you have 50 items and if they take in all that 50 items, that's good. That's something that you didn't have that you can put toward your credit card bills. Something that you're not using or wearing. You weren't planning on ever wearing it again, but it's just sitting in your closet. Another tip is recycle. Sometimes we got to do a dirty job. I don't like it, but I've done it. Recycle the cans, the plastics, and the glass. The heavier it is, the more money you're going to get. So again, once you pay off that one credit card, your credit score is going to go up. And then you're going to repeat it. And you're going to stay consistent. And once you stay consistent, then this is going to be habit forming. And you're going to enjoy seeing the results. Because like with Credit Karma, they'll send me an email and say, great job on this month's bills. I don't know what number tip we are on, but this is tip number. Make sure you're utilizing at least 30% below what your credit limit is. So the less that you use, the better that you will stay. And that will also increase your credit score. Tip number whatever, 5, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the last tip before I go. I am running out to go get my eyebrows waxed. Is anytime you have extra money, put it on your credit card. Anytime you have extra money. I know sometimes that can be hard because we're just steadily working, but we're steadily giving all this money to our creditors. It's going to pay off in the end. Trust me. The less that you have, the better you feel. Make sure if you're still here to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. I'd love for you to watch more of my videos. And I'd like to make more videos like this. So please make sure you subscribe. Okay, so the last tip is you get a little extra money. Yes, extra money. Put it toward the credit card bill. Why? Because this is going to help with your interest rate. You started out with $1,000 on your credit card. You maxed it out. Now you're paying off the $1,000. Because of the fact you didn't pay it off in the same month that you charged it, they're going to start adding interest rate to that amount. Whatever that amount is that you could not pay off, they're going to add interest rate, daily interest rate. This also makes your payment go up, up, up. But we want to make it go down. So you're making your payments. If you get extra income during that same month that you made your payment, I usually make my credit card payments like at the end of the month. So let's just say on the 25th, I make all my credit card payments. So on the 25th, I made a payment to let's say Neiman Marcus, I still have like, let's just say $500 more to pay off and get a zero balance. Okay, so I got some extra money. I got some extra money in. So I'm not gonna wait until my due date of the 25th. No, I am not. What that extra money I'm gonna put toward that credit card, and that's gonna help with the daily interest rate. Yes, after you pay off your credit card, that next billing cycle is gonna have some interest in it. So instead of like $70, maybe it might be $17 because you made 3 payments before your next billing cycle. So that is my last tip. I hope I said something that was like a reminder, because sometimes we need a reminder, or maybe something that you've never heard before. If you know of somebody that you'd like to share this video with that needs some tips for increasing their credit score, please make sure you share this video with them. Today, I am pleased to say that my credit score is a 778. And this was done on my own, by myself, with the strategy and the tips that I just shared with you. Comment below, let me know if you have any additional questions, because I didn't get into the meat, but I wanted to keep it simple because I like simple, because then I know that I can do simple. And I think this is very simple, easy steps to increasing your credit score. Take care. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, yes you, in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Low 500s, 778. I'm so proud of myself.